Hello, my friends.
Today, we are going to the supermarket. We have a list. We need milk, bread, apples, eggs, and cheese.
Here is the supermarket. Let's go inside.
I want to ride, Daddy.
Okay, little man, up you go.
Look, Mommy. The apples are red and big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 apples.
Very good, Liam. Brrr. It is cold here. The milk is cold.
I love cheese, Mommy.
Me too, sweetie.
The bread is fresh. It smells so good.
Wow! Candy! I want candy!
Only one candy, okay?
Okay, Mommy. Thank you.
Milk?
Bread, apples, cheese. Oh, we need eggs.
Excuse me, where are the eggs? The eggs are in aisle 3. Thank you so much. Aisle 3. Here are the eggs. I am careful. Eggs can break.
We have everything. Now we pay. That is $15, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. See you later.
Our bags are full. We are happy. Let's practice. Repeat after me. We need milk. Where are the eggs? Excuse me. Here you are. Have a nice day. Great job, my friends. See you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.